7:30 p.m. I'm here for you 24/7.
Now that's the real drip, not the gonorrhea drip with the clothes, the drip formula. Dividend reinvestment plan. Easiest way to start is to start. Jump in. Buy one. If you only can afford one, buy one a week. Buy one a week. How hard is that? That's how I started. I was buying an Apple share every 2 weeks. What's going on tonight, people? Ghetto investor, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me be your motivation. Let me explain. The easiest way to start is to start. Do you hear me? The easiest way to start is to start. Start with what you got. I'm walking to the bank right now. I do this all the time. This is my routine. You understand what I'm saying? I walk to the bank. That's why I like to keep a bank near me. Try to keep a bank account that's near you. Walk to the bank and you put small change in there. Small change add up every day. Not saying you do it every day, but you know, I'm independent, so I eat off the land. You know, like I just now made $195 off of videography work. Okay? So now I'm gonna take it to my account. I don't just go and front the money off. You make sense, okay? Small change add up. I'm going to put $150 in the bank right now. Okay? And what is that gonna buy me? That's gonna buy me a few ELY shares, Eli. It's gonna buy me a few Eli shares. I'm gonna add some more to my position. But now let's get to the nitty gritty. Easiest way to start is to start. Jump in. Buy one. If you only can afford one, buy one a week. Buy one a week. How hard is that? That's how I started. I was buying an Apple share every 2 weeks. Sometimes, you know, I ain't gonna front. Sometimes I'll buy it, you know, or I have something good come through for me and I might buy it every week. But for the most part, every 2 weeks. And it builds up a position to the point that you sitting on 50 and 60 and 80 of them. Then you ain't gotta buy them no more. Why? Because now the dividend is doing its own thing. You put a dividend reinvestment plan, the drip, and you let it drip. Now that's the real drip, not the gonorrhea drip with the clothes, the drip formula. Dividend reinvestment plan. Okay? I'm teaching you something. Sit here and listen, get it. You don't have to get it rich. I started out small. Okay? I'm lit because I started out small. I got bigger as I grew. I buy when it's bad and I buy when it's good. You buy when the market is bad, you buy when the market is good. It's always in your favor. Unless you see everybody out here living out on the damn streets, that's when you be scared. That's when you be nervous. Unless you see everybody out here in the damn street, they breaking down all of these buildings that's around me. Boys and Girls Club. They break down all these buildings. Okay? Do you see that happening? So you can't be scared. That's the only thing I can say. You have fear because it don't make sense. It's so easy to start. Just start. Start. It's not hard at all. Yeah, I'm taking my little walk, like I said. It ain't hard. If you don't know, ask. See how I just spoke to you about the dividend reinvestment plan? You gotta start small. It's a rich man's game. It's gonna pull you up. You gotta start small, but you have to start. People ask, yo, how do I get started? Get started. How do I invest? Invest. What's gonna happen to you? You're not gonna die. You know, that's guaranteed, right? All right. Simply getting your rate of return. Simply winning. You don't want to win? Yeah, this is a nice little walk. But I like it though. It's the bank. It's the bank. Okay? From one place to one place. From the bank account to the investment account. That's it. That's it. Something small. You can start out right now by going right in the description on the bottom and get you a free share stock from Robinhood. Free share stock on me, on Robinhood. And now you're an investor now. You are an investor now. I don't want to hear you can't do this and you can't do that. No, it's you. It's you. I'm high as hell. Y'all seen that tail? I'm high as hell, boy. Woo! 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 You know what I mean? I'm gonna go do the things I like to do. You know? Everything is about keeping things simple. Try not to make things hard. You just gotta start. Don't waste your time. Because before you know it, you be too old. You be old as hell. And then you really be feeling like, what, you could get rich like that? Enter TD. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't let people fool you now. You know? Because this is where we come from, a land of bullshit. You know? And it's $1 at a time. This is how it is. $1 at a time. You know? $1 at a time. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150. It's $1 at a time. $1 at a time. I mean, slow steps, baby steps. Baby steps get you rich. Everybody just on there, I want it now lifestyle. Messes us up. They put so much different materialistic things in front of us, and they promote it so hard that it's like, I'm 50. It's like, sometimes it's hard not to like things. I like things too. But I'm balanced though. I'm balanced like hell. Trust me. Trust me. God bless. No receipt. I'm good.
Thanks for visiting at TD ATM. I'm here for you 24/7.
Money!
Thanks for visiting at TD ATM. I'm here for you 24/7.
Money!
Let me get the hell up out of here. Man, I'm out of here. I'm out of here, man. That thing gone. And that's right to the investment account, you know?
Money! Money!
It's right to the investment account.
Money!
Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Bam Lit, Ghetto Investor. Hey, yo, look, too. When I be saying Bam Lit, I'm talking about, that's my IG, you know? That's my other entity and all that, you know? You know, I'm a bunch of people. I got problems, you know? Super weirdo, you know? Super weirdo, half a rich kid. Awesome. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you got any questions too, man, you want to talk some business tips, some investment tips, holla at me on IG. Bam Lit with 2 T's. Yeah. I'm gone.